Hello everyone. Uh, it's been quite some time. I haven't posted anything on my LinkedIn regarding my project. So because I was stuck on a very crucial part, and for the last 3 months I have been working on that, and finally I have completed that part. Still, I haven't tested it, but I just completed that part, and I think we should share the update with you guys. And I'm right now, I'm not in my office, but I'm in my new workspace that I rented last month. And uh, this month I have been planning to uh, organize it. So let me share some footage what I have been working on now. So this is the space that I rented. Pardon me for not organizing it yet, because I want to add some pegboard over this wall, and that I needed to design it, then source the material, then cutting it. So that's why it's not completed yet. And then there will be a new table, and this is the MIG welding machine that I will use for the assembly part of the charger and the bike, and then the cutter. And I took my uh, bamboo peonies over here, and on my home office I am using the A1. And this is the CNC machine that I have been using for the part I was stuck. And it's a, what I can say, it's a complete uh, mess actually, because I had to learn everything. I had to learn schematic, then PCB design, then how I can use this CNC machine. Everything took a while to complete, and finally I completed the PCB. Let me share with you. So here is the PCB. It will be a switch, a MOSFET-powered switch. So uh, you can see here a lot of trial and error went through to making it possible. So for the last 3 months, it made me mad actually. So uh, thanks to Allah that I finally managed to complete it. And now it needs to uh, test, and then I will share the test results soon. So meanwhile I am working on organizing the workshop. So uh, finger crossed, and hope I will start working uh, full on the charging assembly in the coming weeks. So that's all the updates regarding the workshop and the MOSFET switch, and that's all. So I hope you will like my coming videos and coming updates. So wish me luck. Have good times. Peace.